What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. I'm very excited because I just got it today. What I'm talking about is this POCO F2 Pro. I ordered this around 20 plus days and I just received it. I ordered it on the day that they launched this phone, but unfortunately there was some delays on the order, but nevertheless we have it here. So I'm so excited to open this and test the POCO F2 Pro. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notification icon. I'll be doing a full detailed review about this phone, so make sure you do that. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's go. I like the contrast of colors. They have the yellow and the black contrast of colors, which they have it previously, and on the side you'll see the phrase that says with easy access to Google apps you most use. It's like they're taunting a competitor which doesn't support Google apps right now. And the one that we have here is a POCO F2 Pro Cyber Gray with a 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Now let me go ahead and open this. First thing, we have the ejector pin for the SIM card, we have the user manual, and of course there's a free casing. The one that we have here is a pretty thick case. It's still bent a little bit, but with more foam protection. And of course we have the phone with its standard plastic covering with the specs printed out on it. The one below, we have the Type-C to USB cable, and we also have the charger, which is a 30 watts fast charger. And there's a lot that they improved on this POCO F2 Pro, especially on its design. It's bigger than the previous version. It is now Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for front and back, and the frame is aluminum. Comparing to its previous version, it was back and the side is made out of plastic. Right, so the screen out screen, which is 6.67 inches with a Super AMOLED display, and its resolution is 1080p by 2400 pixel, and it looks pretty bright with its 500 nit brightness, and it's also equipped with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 865 and its latest GPU as well. And the memory that we have here is a 6GB RAM. So far there's no 8GB RAM available when I purchased this phone yet, and the phone so far it's been so smooth. I'm still downloading the games that I'll be testing. I'll be doing a full performance review, and I love it. I love the design, the layout of the cameras, the 4 rear cameras, which we'll be doing some more testing on that, and of course the front camera. We have a pop-up 20 megapixel front camera. And the POCO F2 Pro has a lot to offer, and I have yet to find out if this phone really is a flagship killer for this 2020. And of course the price is slightly higher compared to the previous version, but hopefully it doesn't disappoint while I do the testing. So make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified once I upload a new video. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch out for that review video that I'll be doing. I'll see you on the next one.